Hi, good morning. This is CivTech Simplified. I'm Engineer Imran Aziz. We are presenting another short quiz today. The topic for today's quiz is drying of bricks. Remember, the correct answers would be highlighted. So let's get started. Question number one. The bricks after molding should be dried in option A, open air, option B, sun for 3 to 8 days, option C, air for 3 to 8 days but not in sun, option D, hot air for 3 days. The bricks for after molding should be dried in option C is the correct one. It should be dried in air for 3 to 8 days but not in sun. Question 2. Efflorescence is caused if option A, alkaline salt is present in the bricks. The clay used for making bricks contain rites. The water used for pegging the clay contains gypsum. Option D, all of the above. So efflorescence is caused due to all these factors: alkaline salt, ferrites, and pegging of clay contains gypsum. If the clay contains gypsum, then it causes efflorescence in the bricks. Question number 3. The good clay for making bricks is option A, unweathered clay, option B, weathered clay, option C, silica soil, option D, black cotton soil. Good clay for making the bricks is a weathered clay. B is the correct answer for this question. Question 4. The process of mixing clay, water, and other ingredients to make bricks is known as option A, tempering, option B, pugging, option C, kneading, option D, molding. The process of mixing the clay, water, and other ingredients to make the bricks is known as kneading. C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 5. The handmade bricks are dash to machine made bricks for facing purposes. The handmade bricks are dash to machine made bricks for facing purposes. Option A, superior. Option B, inferior. Yes, the handmade bricks are superior than the machine made bricks for the facing purposes. A is the correct answer. So thank you for being with us. Please subscribe to CivTech Simplified so that you could get the quiz at the earliest and follow us on TikTok. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.